Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you're having yourself a beautiful day as well as an amazing weekend. In today's video we'll be reacting to Atuna Tufuli. This video was suggested by Story Life. Thank you very much for taking the time to send me your recommendation and suggestion. For those of you who are new and who happen to come across this channel and this video for the first time, I'd like to take a moment and welcome you guys to the channel. I upload videos every day, so if you guys like the content as well as the channel and want to be part of this journey, then please consider subscribing to the channel and turning notification on so you're notified when a new video is uploaded. Stay tuned guys, we'll be right back. Welcome back guys, we're going to get started with the video momentarily, and at the end of the video I'll be sharing with you my observation and reaction, so please make sure you stay until the end. With that said, we're going to get started with the first video of the day.
ما في عنا لعياد ولا زينة يا عالم أرضي محروقة أرضي حري مسروقة سوانا عم تحلم عم تسأل الأيام وين الشمس الحلوة ورفوف الحمام يا عالم أرضي محروقة أرضي حري مسروقة أرضي صغيري مثلي صغيري أبونا السلام أبونا طفولي أبونا طفولي أبونا السلام ولا عم تحلم عم تسأل الأيام وين الشمس الحلوة ورفوف الحمام يا عالم أرضي محروقة أرضي حري مسروقة أرضي صغيري مثلي صغيري أبونا السلام أبونا طفولي أبونا 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 السلام. Child, it's something to say. Please listen to me. Child wants to play. Why don't you let me? Mother's saying, my friends are praying. Small heart are begging. Give us a chance. Give us a chance. Give us a chance. Give us a chance. Please, please, give us a chance. Atuna Tufuli, Atuna Tufuli. العيد ولذيذ.
Also, so this was, it looked like at the back that I read the banner, the closing party for the Foreign Language Development Institute. So I guess this is maybe a school or institution that teaches foreign languages, maybe Arabic and English. But the sister, mashallah, had a really, really good voice, and she spoke Arabic, or she sang Arabic really, really nicely. And Atuna Tufuli is actually one of my favorite songs as well, since I heard it from Sibian. It's really, really nice. It's really, really touching, and I enjoyed her performance. It was really good, and I liked how they had other sisters in the back, and they were basically like the background singers, so give it a little bit more depth. And overall, really enjoyable, guys. Thank you very much for suggesting it. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like to recommend for me to check out another video, please put in the comment section below. As always, guys, Termak, I say thank you very much for all your love and support. I hope you guys have yourself a wonderful day. Take care of yourself and your family. Inshallah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, and wassalam.